Andarki Namaskaram. Na per Manara Chopra and I'm from Bombay. E-Cinema Jakarna, 29th of July this month. 7 days to go and chala excited, chala happy ga undi and I hope after a long time that I'd been shooting for almost like 7 to 8 months for this film, and I hope it's finally getting released, and I'm very excited. I hope you all will support me. I need your blessings. I need your good wishes. Uh, and I hope you love the film. It is out and out a comedy film with a romantic twist and a lot of peppy songs which you must be hearing in radio station, in FMs and things like that, and also in the news and things. So I hope आप सबको बहुत अच्छा लगे. You enjoy the music, you enjoy the film, you enjoy the comedy in the film, and you like my work, you like my dancing, acting, and that's it. And just watch the film. It's coming this 29th. I really need your support, your blessings, and if I'll have your blessings, then I think that will be the best thing. That will be the best support system for me at this point of time, where I'm having like butterflies in my stomach. I'm a bit nervous, but at the same time very excited, like doing a Telugu film and seeing myself dancing on mass numbers. I had been an assistant choreographer earlier. I've learned dance, and I always wanted to do some mass songs and things like that, because what in Bollywood is like, we in Bollywood they dance on like one beat or something like that, but here they dance on like half a beat and the steps are choreographed like that. So it was very difficult to shoot. We were shooting in Dubai at like around 55 degrees of temperature, and just before we were to go to Dubai, I had a ligament tear, but still I managed to dance. And with so much of heat, I never thought that climate conditions could affect me, but they did at one point of time. But I still managed, and I hope you like the film, you like my work. And अगर कोई फिल्म में कमी लगे मेरी एक्टिंग में या मेरे डांस में, then I just want to say that I'm still a budding actor, and I need your support, and I promise that I will work very very hard to improve whatever flaws will be there. But I'm sure you will enjoy the film in totality, because it's a comedy film and I love to laugh a lot. So I loved it, and I'm sure you will also like it. It was very nice working with Sunil sir. Like I have always seen him in film like Meri Aag in Hindi. It was there like a remake of as an dubbed version. But when I met him, I thought that probably what I'll have on set is only I'll be laughing and just he'll be cracking jokes and I'll be laughing. But there was another side to Sunil sir where he knows so much about fashion. He knows what is in trend, what are the latest brands and things. Some things which I probably will not know, and he will tell me, you should shop from there. This is how you should combine your things, and your wardrobe should be like this. For specifically for the film. So I was pretty much amazed, like so much of knowledge, so very good experience, and so made me very comfortable. And I hope you like our chemistry in the film, you like our comedy in the film, you like our dance in the film, and you like our acting in the film.
So he was known for this comedy type.
Yes.
Was it difficult to match his timing?
No, I don't think it was difficult to match his timing. It was like more of a reaction, and the dialogues which we had were like rhyming. So I believe if you are in sync with the dialogues, then everything is fine. And I probably would mug up the dialogues and things like that. So then timing is one thing which you probably learn with experience. And I, coming from an ad background, and I have done film in Bollywood, so that was not very tough. Only the Telugu diction, which I'm still trying to learn very very well, was a little tedious. So, yes, that is generally how I am in my real life. And you will also see me doing a lot of karate in the film and a lot of action sequence, which probably I think I have not seen. Maybe I have not seen a lot of Telugu films, but whatever I have seen, I've not seen any girl doing karate or something like that. And also, it's in a lot of comedy in the film, lot of dance in the film. So yes, I was getting exposure of like lot of things to do at in like one film. So yes, it's going to help me near future also. And trying my hand in the comedy genre was little tricky, but I think I did it like really well. I want a bit of everything in my life. So kickboxing being one of them. Specifically back there home, I do kickboxing sometimes, and I've been a trained dancer. So of course, gymnastics is also a part of dance. So yes, I've done all that. So karate was not that tedious.
So what made you to sign this film? Because your first movie was in Hindi.
Yeah.
So this is your second movie.
Basically, yes, my first movie was in Hindi, and then I signed my first Telugu film, which was Tikka, and then from Tikka I signed Jakanna, and from Jakanna I signed Rogue. But Jakanna is very special to me because one is all the three films have got three different characters for me to play, and in this film I'm doing a lot of comedy, lot of action, lot of dance, which I love to do personally. That is one, these are the three factors because of which I picked up the film. And of course the production house, and it's an established production house. I have seen Prem Kada Chitram. I wish to do a film like Prem Kada Chitram in near future, where you know it's really nice a role. And that was another reason I thought that the makers are like fab, they know what they are picking, and they are picking a comedy script, so it will be fun film for me too. So that's why I just picked it up. And it's been a while, and with my Hindi film Zid, that is what I mean, I changed my name, that everyone knows. It's a beautiful name. It means Manara, means something that shines, and I think everyone wants to shine in their respective professions, and I think it's a very positive name, and I'm getting a very positive response too. So I think I'm in love with my name. I will be able to pull off the character, and I'll be able to pull off the comedy, which is the essence of our film. And very much thankful to Sudarshan sir. Sudarshan sir and his family, Lata ma'am, they all are like family now, and I'm very close to them. I had an awesome experience. It was never like that I'm coming away from home. I was always at home. So wonderful experience. And my DOP sir, Ram Prasad sir, actually I wanted to say all of this during my audio launch but never got a chance. But and DOP sir, he has captured each and every frame very beautifully, so I want to thank my DOP sir, Ram Prasad sir. Even in the first teaser you could see some combination scenes with Saptagiri, and yes, I have a lot of combination scenes in between me, Saptagiri and Sunil. So yes, lot of comedy happening and lot of confusion and things happening. You will, once you watch it, you will get to know.
Actually, I don't want this marriage.